Good morning, student. Today we can learn chapter 6, light. So first 5 lesson completed. Today 6th lesson. The chapter name is light. The 6th standard onwards you have learned about light. Now can you say what is light? So light is a form of energy. So we can learn. We learned early. Light is a form of energy. This light forms electromagnetic waves. What is that? Electromagnetic waves. So electromagnetic waves, both electric field and magnetic field. Like this electromagnetic waves. Transverse wave, then electromagnetic waves. Here electric field and magnetic. Both electric and magnetic field is there. So we say this electromagnetic waves. So the light forms in the form of light travel in the form of electromagnetic waves. Then what is the speed of light in vacuum? What is the speed of light? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. What is the speed of light or velocity of light? In vacuum, ask me, so what is the answer? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second or meter second power minus 1. Like that, or meter second power minus 1. So this is the velocity of light, value of velocity of light or speed of light. The unit is, what is the unit of velocity? Already we have learned unit of velocity or speed. What is the unit? Meter second power minus 1. So this value very important. Next year also you will learn about. Next year you will learn about the properties of light. This properties of light is called optics. Optics, second chapter, optics. Next year you will learn. This everything you will learn. And what is the velocity of light or speed of light? What is the speed of light? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second or meter second power minus 1. Now from this the introduction of light. Then optic lesson you will learn about microscope, simple microscope, compound microscope, and you will learn this, the rays, light rays, how it will travel by using the lens, there's a ray diagram, this everything you will learn in the chapter optics. This light chapter, what and all you are going to learn means about mirror. Okay, 10th standard will study about lens, but here mirror, 2 types of mirror, and how to draw the ray diagram, that everything we can learn in this chapter, light chapter. Okay, so now you should know what is the velocity of light. What is the velocity of light? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second or meter second power minus 1. Now next one we are going to learn about laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. So lower classes also you have learned, 8th standard you learned about laws of reflection and laws of refraction also you have learned. So 9th standard you will study laws of reflection, but 10th standard you will study laws of refraction. Okay, here we can learn about reflection, and by using the mirror how the light rays are reflected we can learn that. Now first we can learn about laws of reflection. So this is the surface of plane mirror. What is the surface of plane mirror? That's a polished surface, that is M and M dash. So the polished surface of a plane mirror, M and M dash. Say a light ray is incident on the plane surface. That is incident ray, that arrow mark like this. Light ray from here falls and incident on the plane surface. Okay, incident on the plane surface, that ray is called what? Incident ray. After the passes through the plane surface, then get reflected back. So that is which ray? Reflected. Now 2 rays we have learned. One is the incident ray, another one is the reflected ray. The light, the incident on a plane surface is called incident ray, that we can write as A, here O, the plane surface, the point of incident is there, no? That we can take as O. So OA is called which ray? Incident ray. Incident ray. OA is called which ray? Incident ray. And OB, the reflected, no? Reflected ray. OB, OA, incident ray. OB, reflected ray. reflected ray. Now see OA, which ray? Incident ray, and OB, reflected ray. Now see the direction. Incident ray, the light rays falls and incident on the plane surface. When the light rays incident, what happen? It get reflected back. So this is the reflected ray. See the arrow mark, the light rays coming this way and it get reflected. So the arrow mark is this. Okay. Now OA is called which ray? Incident ray, and OB is called reflected ray. Now draw a normal to the point O. This is the normal. That is O. Yeah. That's the normal. Okay. Now incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal. So 3 incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal. Now here angle of incidence. The incident angle. Suppose here 30 degree means here also 30 degrees. So the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Now we can see what is angle of incidence. First you know the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of this area only point of incidence or in a same plane. This is the first law. So what is the first law? The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence or lie in a same plane. Okay. So first law, what is the first law? First laws of reflection. First law, the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence or lie at the same plane. Okay. So the reflection will take place in one plane, but the refraction will take place in two. Okay. Only one plane only the reflection will take place. So now we can learn what is the angle of incidence. The angle made incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence. So angle made incident ray and the normal is called, what is that? Angle of incidence. So that is angle of incidence. So this angle, okay, AON, this angle of incidence, that will denote the letter I, small I. So we can write here I, small I. Angle of incidence denote the letter small I. Now the angle made reflected ray and the normal is called angle of reflection. So angle of reflection, that is small r. So we can write here small r. So angle of incidence I, angle of reflection R. So angle of incidence denote the letter I, angle of reflection denote the letter R. Okay. Now listen. So then second point is the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is the second law of reflection. See the first law, the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal or lie at the same plane. Okay. So second point is the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So these are about the laws of reflection. What are the two laws? There are two laws are there. What are the two laws? The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal or lie at the same plane. And the second point, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So we can write like this: angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay. Angle of reflection denote the letter small r. Angle of incidence denote the letter small I. So these are the laws of reflection. Now you know introduction about light. What is the velocity of light? In air or vacuum, what is the velocity of light? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second or meter second power -1. And the laws of reflection we have learned. So what is the laws of reflection? First law, the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence or lie at the same plane. Second point, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So these are about the laws of reflection. Can you understand, students? Yes, very good. Then next one we can learn lateral inversion. Next one, lateral inversion. Now this word lateral, Latin word, that is Latin word latus. Latus. Latin word latus, that meaning is side. Okay, this Latin word latus, the meaning is side. If you are stand in front of the plain mirror, for what we will stand in front of the plain mirror? To see our face, So just side change, left side and right side change, but it does not change up and down. No, up and down does not change, but the side only change. So that is the lateral inversion. Okay, lateral. The word lateral means, so what is that? Latin word latus. That meaning is, what's that? Side. So the sideways inversion. So the meaning is sideways inversion. So only the plain mirror, when we are seeing our face, just change the side. Left side change to right, right side change to left. Okay, just to change the side, but does not change up and down. So these are the lateral inversion. Then real image, virtual image, that and all. Next class we can see. Then before that we can learn about spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors. So the spherical mirrors, or suppose this is the spherical shape. No, you all know that this is the spherical shape. Now just we can take off. Okay. Now see, we can take off. Now this curved inward, this side curved inward. No, this side curved outward. You all know that there are two types of mirror. One is the concave mirror. Concave mirror. Another one is the convex mirror. Spherical mirror are in two types. One is what? Concave mirror. Next one is the convex mirror. Concave mirror means the reflecting surface. This area only reflecting surface. No, the reflecting surface curved inward is called concave mirror. Okay, the reflecting surface or curved inward is called which mirror? Concave mirror. Cave means curved inward. Okay. Convex mirror means the reflecting surface curved outward is called convex mirror. So all of you know, concave mirror. What is concave mirror? The reflecting surface or curved inward is called concave mirror. The reflecting surface or curved outward is called which mirror? Convex mirror. So there are two spherical mirror or in two types. What are they? Concave mirror and convex mirror. So the reflecting surface curved inward is called concave mirror and the reflecting surface curved outward is called convex mirror. Okay. Now we can learn how the ray diagram, how we can draw the ray diagram, that we can see, and that also some rules are there, rules and regulations are there to draw the ray diagram. That rules also we can learn now. Okay, so first you should know the spherical mirrors are in two types. What are they? Concave mirror and convex mirror. No, concave mirror, the reflecting surface or curved inward is called concave mirror. The reflecting surface or curved outward is called curved outward is called convex mirror. So we can draw concave mirror like this, convex mirror like this. Okay, this is the convex mirror, this one is the concave mirror. Now we can learn how to draw the ray diagram. Now all of you take your note or rough note or pencil, scale, everything take. We can, while I am drawing time, you also draw. Now listen, first you have to draw a straight line. This line is called principal axis. What is this line is called what? Principal axis. See the spelling? Principal axis. So draw a horizontal line. So this line is called what? Principal axis. Okay, what is this? Principal axis. Did you draw, students? Take scale, pencil and draw a line. So this line is called what? Principal axis. Now draw a concave mirror. Just to draw a concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. So what is this mirror called? Concave mirror. Now at the middle of the aperture. This is only aperture. Okay, the reflecting surface only aperture. So this middle P, that is pole. P means what? Pole. P means what? Pole. Okay. First draw a principal axis, then draw a concave mirror. Then here is this point. The meeting now, this line meeting now, that point is called pole. That denotes the letter P. The next, this is the principal focus, that is capital F. Principal focus, that is capital F. Principal focus. So this principal axis horizontal line, pole P, and the principal focus, what is that? Capital F. Okay. So this three now. So just we have to draw principal axis and pole, concave mirror, pole, and the principal focus. Okay. Now next, this the center of the, suppose this the center of the, like this, center is the spherical mirror, this is the center. So like that, here center. Okay, the spherical mirror has center. Center, that is denote the letter C, that is center of curvature. So what is C means what? Center of curvature. Center of curvature. C means what? Center of curvature. Okay, C, center of curvature. Thus we can say or also radius of curvature also same point. Center of curvature or radius of curvature same point. Okay. So instead of C we can write or also. Or means what? This C means center of curvature or radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. So C means what? Center of curvature or radius of curvature. So here we can write C or R. Okay. Then then now you know pole, principal focus, and then C means what? Center of curvature. Then focal length. Focal length means the distance between the pole and the principal focus only. That's that focal length, that is denoted that as small f. Okay. Small f means what? Focal length. Focal length. What is small f? Focal length. So the focal length, what is focal length? The distance between the pole and the principal focus is called focal length. The distance between the pole and the principal focus is called focal length. Denote the letter small f. From here you can study one formula, or equal to 2f. This is the formula for radius of curvature. Okay, so the radius of curvature here, from pole to principal focus f. Then this principal focus to center of curvature or radius of curvature also here. So only we can write or equal to 2f. 2 times focal length is there. Okay. So or equal to 2f, this formula. Suppose your radius of curvature is given, you have to find focal length, only write it. F equal to or divided by 2. So just divide means you will get to the focal length. So what is the unit of focal length? Centimeter is the unit of. Okay. All of you understand? So this much all the students should know. So first principal axis, then center of principal focus, pole, center of curvature or radius of curvature, focal length. What is focal length? The distance between the pole and the principal focus is called focal length. Okay. So then here you can draw the parallel line. So these are the parallel, like rays or travel, like rays or parallel to the principal axis. Now see the arrow mark. What happened? It reflected. When it falls on the polished surface, it reflected and converges at the principal focus. Now see the converge at the principal focus. This arrow mark like this. Converge at the principal focus. So we can say this concave mirror is called converging mirror. Converging mirror. The concave mirror, another name what? Converging mirror. Okay. So concave mirror is called converging mirror. Why we are saying converging mirror? It converges at the principal focus. Okay. The light ray, the light incident rays or travel or falls on the polished surface, the reflecting surface of the concave mirror, and it gets reflected and converges a principal focus. So we are saying this concave mirror is called which mirror? Converging mirror. Suppose instead of concave mirror, converging mirror means also have to say this. Okay, can you understand, students? So the light lesson, how to draw the ray diagram. All the ray diagrams, some rules are there. So next class we can learn the rules. Then how to draw the ray diagram. For that, very important which one? Principal as a. Draw a principal as is. Just to draw a horizontal line. From there, we have draw a concave mirror. Then this is the polished surface. Then at the middle, you have to write what? Put a point, that is P. P means what? Pole. Then principal focus, capital F. Then center of curvature or radius of curvature. So the principal focus, capital F, focal length is small f. Don't change. This 2 also, capital F right is wrong. Principal focus, capital F, and the focal length, what is that? Small. Okay, what is focal length? The distance between the pole and the principal focus is called focal length. The distance between the pole and the principal focus is called, what is that? Focal. The next class, how to draw the ray diagram. Certain rules are there. The rules we can learn. Okay, students. So this much is how to learn. This is the fundamental. Everything fundamental. How to draw the ray diagram fundamental. This fundamentals you have to learn. So next class rules we will study. Now that is very easy. Now we can mark the question. Just to take it. Room letter 6, question number 1. According to Cartesian sign conversion, which mirror and which lens has negative focal length, that is concave mirror? Just write it the answer, concave mirror. Then second question number 2. Name the mirror that can give an erect and enlarged image, same size inverted image, that is concave mirror. 2 answer also concave mirror. Next one, room letter 1, choose the correct answer. First question, a ray of light passes from one medium to another medium. Refraction takes place when angle of incidence is, C option, 90 degree. Second question, dash is used as the reflectors in torchlight, that is concave mirror. Third question, we can create enlarged virtual image with the concave mirror. Question number 4, when the reflecting surface is curved outward, the mirror formed will be convex mirror, D option. Then fifth question, when a beam of white light passes through a prism, it gets deviated and dispersed. Deviated and dispersed. Sixth question, the speed of light is maximum in vacuum. That value is 3 into 10 power 8 meters second power minus 1. The speed of light maximum where? Vacuum. Then true or false? The angle of deviation depends on the refractive index of the glass. That is true. Second question, if a ray of light passes obliquely from one medium to another, it does not suffer any deviation. So that is false. It bends towards the normal. You have to write there, it bends, B-E-N-D-S, bends towards the normal. Then question number 3, the convex mirror always produces virtual diminished and erect image of the object. That is a true. Then fourth one, when an object is at the center of curvature of concave mirror, the image formed will be virtual and erect. That is false statement. Real and inverted image you will get. False statement, instead of virtual and erect, you have to write real and inverted image. Question number 5, the reason for brilliance of diamonds is total internal reflection of light. That is a true. Then room letter 3, fill in the blanks. In going from a rarer to denser medium, the ray of light bends towards the normal. You have to write there, towards the normal. Towards the normal. Question number 2, the mirror used in searchlight is concave. The mirror used in searchlight is concave. The angle of deviation of light ray in a prism depends on the angle of incidence. Here you have to write incidence. The radius or curvature of a concave mirror whose focal length is 5 cm is called, just you have to write formula R equal to 2. Today we have learned no. So here instead of F you have to write 5. So you will get R equal to 2 into F. This is the formula, R equal to 2 into F. So R equal to 2 into F is given as 5. So 5. So you will get r equal to 10 centimeter. The answer is r equal to 10 centimeter. Then fifth one, large dash mirrors, that is concave mirror, are used to concentrate sunlight to produce heat in solar furnace. And match the following. First one, the ratio of height of the image to height of the object is magnification. After you learn, first you can mark it. Okay. The ratio of height of the image to height of the object is magnification. Used in hairpin bends in mountains, that is convex mirror. Then coin inside water appearing slightly raised, that is total internal reflection. Then used as a dentist mirror, that is concave mirror. Okay, today we have learned about light and what is the velocity of light. What is the velocity of light in here? 3 into 10 power 8 meters second power minus 1. Just you have to study this formula, or equal to 2f. Here you have to find or f means or divided by 2. Or given f you have to find means or divided by 2. Just to divide means you will get the answer. The unit of focal length is centimeter. Suppose the question meter given means you have to write the unit is meter. Okay. Two types of mirror. What are the two types? Concave mirror and convex mirror. And how to draw the ray diagram. Next class we can learn the rules. What are the rules followed to draw the ray diagram? First you have to draw, I will say, next class I will say you draw a principal axis. Just you have to draw a horizontal line. Then draw the concave mirror. You have to draw the concave mirror. Then pole, find it just to this point, you have to write as P. Then principal focus here. Next is center of armature C. What is focal length? As means the distance between the pole and the principal focus is called focal length. The same mirror, 9th standard you learn lens. Lens also same only. Lens you have done 10th standard. Okay, so just read the lesson and okay, just to study it. What and all mark and give one word questions, just to learn it. For a half yearly exam, the lesson 1 to 5. Okay students, so learn well every day, learn it and write well the examination. Thank you.